So hi guys, this is our last month payment and here you can see the time and date. Today I will show you my AdSense payment that received in my bank account. Many people ask the question why you don't show the transaction that you receive in your bank. So that is the videos, that is the proof that my earning that I do AdSense arbitrage AdSense loading is received in my bank account. Here you can see my 3-month payment. So reason behind why I don't share this kind of videos, this is the reason. People can report this AdSense with this address, and then AdSense will block my AdSense. AdSense company will block my AdSense. Here's a many video. If you don't have money to buy my course, you can watch those videos and learn with yourself. Okay, but in course I provide everything in structure, but in YouTube I share a lot of information about AdSense related, or in future I thought I create a video on AI. So that's the video guys. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you have any kind of question, query, you can ask.